Problem is I didn't mention here that I should link my page to style sheet. I forgot to do that, and now I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to type link. Okay, link. Inside link I should relate it. Link relation is equal to style sheet. Okay, I'm going to style sheet sheet and then I'm going to link it, so href it will link, and my style sheet.css. Okay, and then I'm going to close. See, now the things are working perfectly. I forgot to mention the CSS link, and that's why the problem was happening, and now I just resolved it. And then I'm going back to the style sheet. Okay, and then inside here I should mention the font family, FONT font family. I'm going to add some fantasy. Shall I add fantasy? Okay, whichever you like you can add. I'm going to add this font family, and then you can give colors also. For instance, I'm not giving any color. Okay, and then I'm going to add UL I should change. Okay, this one, what all the things come under UL, these all things, I'm just going to change that things. Okay, now you can see it's highlighting from here to here. For UL I'm going to put some margin of 0 pixels, and then I feel a padding also I will put 0 pixels. Okay, 0 pixels, and then I will change the line style. It's already changed, it's okay. I will again change the list style to none. Okay, I will put it as none, and then for these ULLI under list, these all things under list, I should change that things. That's why I'm calling it here in CSS ULLI, and then I'm going to float it from left because I needed to show it from left. Float it from left. Okay, now you can see it's floating from the left side, and then I'm going to give a width of I'm going to give it a width. Okay, width of something like 200. Okay, you can give how much you want. 200. I will give 250 pics. Okay, I will give 200 only. It's your comfort. And then I am going to add some height. I will give 50 px. Okay, 50 not okay. I will give 30 px. Okay, it's better. Okay, it's better. And then I'm going to add a background color. Background. Oh, my PC is running low. What's wrong with my palette? Let me check. 1 second. Okay, sorry for that. And then I'm going to change background color. Here is the background color, and then I'm going to change it as black. See, here it is black, and this one color I am going to change it as white color, and white or something like white. Okay, you can see the changes. And then I am going to change its opacity. It's your wish. Opacity I'm going to give 0.9%. Okay, and then I'm going to change its text align and font size. Before that I'm going to add line height, and it will be something like 40 pixels. Okay, or else you can give 30, anything you want. Okay, I'm going to give 30, and then I'm going to give font size. I'm going to give a 25. It's too big. Okay, and let's check 18px. It's better. It's better looking. Okay, and then I am going to give some text alignments to center. Okay, it will make things cool. And then for this listing, to navigate up to this, I should give ULLIA. Okay, ULLIA. For ULLIA I am going to give some text decoration. Sorry, I'm changing text decoration to none, and I will giving it to none. I don't need any text now. And color I'm going to give white again. Okay, and then I display it as block. Okay, I display it block. And then now I should hover this because everything is seen. Okay, I should hover this. For that I am going to call ULLIA, and I need to hover. When you move your mouse pointer to there, and it should come while you point the mouse point over there. That's why I am hovering it, and mouse hover. And for that mouse hover I am going to add some color, background color. Okay, when you mouse over it, it will change to other color. Okay, I am simply going to add some, I think green is there. Okay, I am going to add some light green color. Okay, see, it's highlighting green. Okay, and then I'm going to call list. Under that list, ULLI. For ULLI. Okay, then I am going to display that too. We'll just put it none. Okay, display none, because I don't wanna display it when the pointer, when in normal position. I don't want to display this. That's why I made it none. When you mouse over on it, it should come then only. So I just put the display of that ULLI, means here UL, this one ULLI, it will come here, and again it will go ULLI. Okay, here it will navigate. Only changes this and this part. Okay, this will be hidden in initial position, and then at last I'm going to over it, ULLI. Okay, when you are inside that ULLI, and you should hover. Okay, when you point over on it, then ULLI should be visible. That's why I'm going to add this one inside here, display the remaining block. Okay, see, everything is working fine now. Events. Okay, now your navigation bar is ready to use. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment.